A quick guide to how a nuclear power station works. It's a steam engine. The end. That is basically what a nuclear power station is, and you'll wonder why you got global warming. It's a super duper charged mega steam engine, but it is still a steam engine. It works by creating nuclear fusion, by basically combining uranium, plutonium, etc., making an explosion. This generates heat. They pump water in. Water gets hot. Water turns turbine after turning into steam, which spins around really fast and generates electric. It's a steam engine. This is how nuclear power works for generating energy. It's a steam engine. But it's a dangerous one, more powerful, several times more powerful than the bombs that wiped out 500,000 people in Japan. And these were all placed in residential areas. At the moment, there's an undisclosed number in England. They won't tell you exactly how many, because you've got the commercial ones, which are all privately owned, and you've also got private ones. Yes, there are private nuclear power stations. And you've also got ones owned by the government and by the military, which are unlisted, but everyone knows where they are. They're also planning to do officially another dozen in the next 10 years, which means they will actually build another 40. It's not because we need them, it's because America wants to sell uranium and plutonium. That is it. So, you think it's hot now? Give it 5 years, there'll be no fucker left.